Hey guys, Ardem here with you today. We will be demonstrating an easy way to cut a bob haircut with a slight graduation on thick hair. Our vision here is to cut her hair on her shoulders and to keep her length below the neckline. It is always good practice to place your hands where you visualize the graduation before the cut. This helps to show the client what to expect before the transformation happens. We want to add shine and luster to her hair while minimizing frizz. For this, we are using J&K The Glow Up shampoo and conditioner. In our opinion, if you want to tame and control frizz, there is no better product we recommend than J&K The Glow Up. We highly recommend this product if you want to control and tame frizzy hair. While combing her hair, I like to use a heat protectant. It will protect her hair from heat and will also give the hair a great fragrance. To start the cut, I am going to be using my very own custom-made, very sharp, Japanese steel shears that were made for clients with thick hair. For this bob cut, I will not be sectioning at all. I do not want to make it complicated, so for this we will be going straight to the point. My initial cut is going to be below her neckline. Then, I am going to create an A line by cutting down towards the desired length on the left. I will then start cutting upwards from the desired length on the right side to the midpoint to finish the A line. It is very important to have sharp shears for this type of haircut. I am now cleaning up all her ends to make sure it feels good to the touch and to see what areas need to be texturized to reduce the weight of her hair. I like the shape so far that I am creating. Keep in mind, do not spend too much time perfecting the A line while the hair is wet. All your detailing cuts will happen after the hair is dry. The haircut is starting to come along. However, it still feels heavy towards bottom of her hair. This is due to the blunt line and thickness of her hair. Before using my texture shears, I want to go over my A line a couple more times while her chin is down to expose any missed hair from the nape area. Now that we are done with the A line, I am going to pick up her hair at a 90-degree angle from the scalp. This will show all the corners and points that need to be thinned out by the texturing shears. I generally like to cut 1 to 5 times past mid-shaft towards the hair ends to eliminate the corners. If you feel like you need to cut more, that is okay too. The amount of cuts you perform will depend on thickness. For the blow dry, we are going to section into 3 quadrants. Our sections are going to be 1 to 2 inches thick, depending on the thickness and texture of your client's hair. There is a third section above her left ear that I left out because my battery died on my camera. My apologies for this. Next, I am going to start blow drying by placing the hair on the round brush, putting pressure on the hair with high heat, and applying tension so that the hair is pressed between the round brush and the blow dryer. I'm gradually turning the brush in a round manner to turn the ends under. This will help give the hair a smooth, sleek, and shiny look with fullness. You may not see it in this video, but I did not dry the nape area all the way. Instead, I took a thin layer to dry to skirt over the nape area. The purpose of this, I want the nape to not have too much body. To accentuate the shape of the graduation, I will be using a vent brush to blow dry the nape area from the top down. Make sure you continue pressing on the hair with your blow dryer. When turning the ends under, remember to gradually rotate your brush to create a soft and smooth effect. We are resectioning here in order to start blow drying the crown. You should start seeing the shape of the hair at this point, and to see if you need more or less graduation. We will repeat the same technique. Except we are going to be drying the hair 90 degrees up from the scalp to create volume. A common question I get from clients is, how much upkeep will a bob require? Bobs require regular haircuts every 6 to 8 weeks to help keep the shape. However, bobs tend to grow out well if you don't maintain them. Another common question is, how often should you wash and dry your hair? Short hair takes less time to wash and dry, but it can look greasier faster and may need to be washed more often. Around her face, we are going parallel to her hairline with the round brush and going straight out, with a little bit of lift and turning the ends under. Following through with the same technique on the crown, pick up the hair 90 degrees from the scalp, with tension to create body and lift. After taking off the last clip at the top, I am still drying at 90 degrees with tension from the scalp. You can see here I am bending the hair slightly with the round brush to create softness around her face. To create more volume on top, I am picking up her hair with my brush and drying the tension at the base and then lifting at 90 degrees. This is one way of retouching up my styling before we start the dry cut. As you can see, her hair has taken a great shape. I can see that some minor detailing is still needed around her neckline. I will use my regular shears to clean up any frizzy ends. Then, I will be taking more weight off by texturizing the corners to reduce excess bulk for a bouncier and edgier look. Now, I am putting her hair behind her ear to check the shape. I am liking what I see as of yet. I'll use my shears again to fine-tune the ends. To personalize and enhance the haircut further, I spray her hair with a dry texture spray, followed by using a super fine hairspray. I'll do my final touches next by seeing exactly how her hair falls in place. As you can see, I am just kind of placing the haircut where it goes to see if there is anything else out of place. My idea with this cut was to showcase a different way that you can achieve a bob haircut without sectioning and point cutting, which is the traditional way of attaining this look. I really love doing this haircut. If you enjoyed our video, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so when we drop our next video, you are the first to see it.